Under the Sea, a journey into the deep blue. Welcome to the magical world under the sea. This amazing place is filled with colorful creatures, each with its own special characteristics and habits. Let's dive in and learn more about some of the fantastic animals that call the ocean their home. Dolphins. Dolphins are playful and intelligent animals that love to swim in groups, called pods. They are known for their friendly nature and can often be seen jumping out of the water, performing flips and spins. Dolphins communicate with each other using a series of whistles and clicks, making them one of the most social creatures in the ocean. They also enjoy riding the waves and can be seen swimming alongside boats, showing just how curious and fun-loving they are. Blue sharks. The blue shark is one of the most graceful swimmers in the ocean. With their sleek bodies and striking blue color, they glide effortlessly through the water. These sharks are found in deep waters and are known for their long, slender fins. Although they can look a bit scary, blue sharks are usually not harmful to humans. They mostly eat small fish and are important for keeping the ocean ecosystem balanced. Octopuses. Octopuses are fascinating creatures known for their incredible ability to change color and texture. They have 8 long arms covered with suckers that help them grab food and explore their surroundings. If an octopus feels threatened, it can squirt ink to create a smokescreen and escape from predators. They are also quite clever. Some octopuses can solve puzzles and even open jars to get to their favorite treats. Jellyfish. Floating gracefully in the water, jellyfish are known for their unique appearance. With their bell-shaped bodies and long tentacles, they can be both beautiful and mysterious. Some jellyfish are bioluminescent, which means they can glow in the dark. While they may look gentle, it's important to be careful around jellyfish, as some can deliver a sting if touched. Seahorses. Seahorses are one of the most unique creatures under the sea. Unlike most fish, they swim upright and have a distinctive horse-like head. Male seahorses are special because they carry the babies. They have a pouch on their belly where the female seahorse places her eggs. After some time, the male releases the tiny baby seahorses into the water. Seahorses like to cling to seagrass or coral using their curly tails, which helps them stay safe from strong ocean currents. The ocean's colorful community. Beyond dolphins, blue sharks, and seahorses, the ocean is filled with colorful life. Coral reefs are like bustling cities, home to countless fish, crabs, and other creatures. Clownfish hide among the anemones, while graceful sea turtles glide slowly by. Brightly colored starfish and playful octopuses add to the underwater beauty. The ocean is a wonderful world, teeming with life and stories waiting to be discovered. Each animal plays an important role, and together they create a vibrant and balanced ecosystem.